In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which fields matter so your inventory is set up correctly the first time. Before we start, make sure you have permission to manage items in your organization and that your plan supports tracking inventory. It also helps to have your basic product info ready, like item name, SKU, unit of measure, selling price, cost price, tax preferences, and your opening stock quantity with an as-of date. First, log into Zoho Books using your company account. If you manage multiple organizations, confirm you're in the correct one from the organization switcher at the top. Give the dashboard a moment to load so all modules are available. Next, look to the left menu and click Items. This is your product and service catalog. You'll see a list of anything you've already added, along with stock details if inventory tracking is enabled. Think of this area as the single source of truth for your item information, what you sell, what you buy, and how it's accounted for. Now, click the New button to create a new record. Depending on your setup, this might say New Item or something similar, but it serves the same purpose. You're adding a product to your catalog so you can track its stock and use it on transactions. In the item creation form, enter the essential details. Add a clear item name, and if you use them, a unique SKU. Choose a unit of measure, like each, box, or kilogram. Set your selling price and your purchase costs so quotes, invoices, and bills autofill correctly. If your region requires it, choose applicable tax preferences. To track inventory for this item, enable the option to mark it as an inventory item. Then enter your opening stock quantity and the as-of date. Ideally, the start of your financial period, along with the opening stock rate or cost. This ensures your stock on hand and inventory valuation begin accurately. If you use multiple warehouses, pick the location where the initial quantity should live. Add a description or internal notes to help your team identify the item, and attach an image if that helps recognition on documents. When everything looks correct, click Save. You'll return to the items list where your new product now appears. Check that the available stock reflects what you entered. If you're adding several products, use Save and New to speed up your workflow and keep details consistent. That's it. You've logged in, opened items, created a new product, and added stock with the right valuation details. Follow the same approach for the rest of your catalog to keep your inventory clean, searchable, and ready for sales and purchase transactions.